Hey guys, what's happening? All right, let's get this back. You're trying to add an admin to your Facebook page so you can activate monetization, maybe for Reels or in-stream ads. I got you. Why you need to add an admin? Before diving in, let's get clear on why this matters. To activate monetization on Facebook page, whether Reels, ads, or brand collaborations, you often need the page owner to meet eligibility requirements, or trusted business partner or admin with permission to manage monetization tools. Basically, no admin equals no access to payouts, ad settings, or meta business tools. So yeah, adding the right admin isn't optional. It's the key that unlocks the vault. So, step one, open Facebook on desktop or phone. While you can do this on mobile, I prefer you use it on desktop. So Facebook still buries a lot of the good stuff on the desktop version, right? Log in to the account you currently own, log into the account that currently owns or manage that page. Tap your profile icon at the bottom right, switch to the page you want to manage. Step 2, go to the professional dashboard or page access. So I'm gonna go ahead right here to the professional dashboard, right? And on the side menu, click professional dashboard or settings and privacy in the settings, and choose new pages experience, right? And then page access, or you can do it right here, settings, and you're gonna see page setup. Yes, you see page access. All right. If your page still uses the classic layout, you will see settings and then page roles, or like I did, you can see inside the page setup, page setup, page access. All right, they both do the same thing. Meta's just rolling out the new UI. All right. Step 3, add the admin. If you're in the new pages experience, under people with Facebook access, click add new. Type the name, a person's name or email. Make sure they've liked or followed the page first. It helps Facebook find them. Toggle allow this person to have full control. All right. Okay. Once you toggle this one on, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just hit give access. Facebook will ask for your password to confirm, and they will receive a notification or email invite. Once they accept, they become admin. They become an admin immediately. If you're using the old page role setup, go to the settings and then page roles. Under assign a new page role, type the user's name or email, choose admin from the drop down, click add, then you enter password. Done. The person gets an invite. Once they accept, they are a full admin. Next, check monetization eligibility. All right. Now that your partner or manager is added, you need to active monetization. Right. Visit Meta for creators or go to that professional dashboard and then hit monetization. All right. Make sure you're signed in as the page admin. You'll see tools like in-stream ads, stars, reels, bonus program, subscriptions. Each tool has its own eligibility checklist. 10K followers for ads, 600K watch minutes in 60 days, no community guideline violations, and then click setup. All right. And Meta will walk you through the payout setup, bank info, tax form, etc. Step 5, confirm the admin has monetization access. If you're adding someone to help manage your monetization, go back to the Meta Business Suite, and then settings, and then people. Make sure their role includes manage page access to a monetization manager. they should now see monetization tools on their professional dashboard on their own profile. So always add admins you trust. They have full control, meaning they can remove you if you're not careful. If it's a short-term manager, give them editor or monetization manager access only. Keep your two-factor authentication on. Meta requires it for monetization accounts. Use business manager if multiple people manage assets. It's safer and more organized. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.